Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at transformers. A transformer is a device generally used to increase or decrease an alternating current input or output. It consists of two insulated coils, the primary and secondary coils, wound round a laminated soft iron core. The essence of the core being laminated instead of a single iron core is to reduce loss of energy in the form of heat, eliminate the effect of eddy current which occurs due to Lenz's law, and also increase the efficiency of the transformer. So that is why you laminate. So this place is laminated soft core. These are the primary input coil and this is the secondary output coil. Note, so this is a transformer. So you supply the input, which is small, you increase it at the output, or you supply the input which is big and you decrease it at the output. So what is going in and coming out is alternating current, AC. So you use a transformer to either decrease or increase your current. Now note, sheets of soft iron insulated from one another with thin film of oxide are known as laminated soft iron sheets. The induced EMF in a coil is directly proportional to the number of turns. EMF is proportional to number of turns. So if you have more turns here, that means you're having more EMF here, bigger than what you're having here. That means you've increased. Whereas if you have more turns here and have lesser turn here, you've decreased. The increase of an output voltage by a transformer is called step-up voltage. This is achieved by increasing the number of turns of the secondary coil. So if you have more turns here, then you've increased the voltage. If you have lesser, you've decreased. So the number of turns in relation to what is in the primary to what is in the secondary determines whether you're increasing, that is, whether you're stepping up or stepping down the voltage. Now let's look at induction coil. An induction coil is a device used to induce a large EMF sufficient to produce a spark between two terminals. It consists of a primary coil of few turns of wire wound on a laminated soft iron core and connected to a power source. A secondary coil wound on a primary coil in the opposite direction and with its end connected to adjustable spark gap. It also consists of an iron core in between the two coils. Note, like the electric bell, the induction coil also consists of make and break device. During the make, current flows into the magnetic iron core, while the break occurs when iron core attracts the soft iron armature and separates the platinum contact from power flow, making the core to become magnetized. The induced EMF is greater during a break. Uses of induction. Uses of an induction coil. The induction coil is used to produce high voltage from low voltage for studying the discharging of electricity through gases. For X-ray to produce the voltage required for accelerating the electron towards the metal target. To produce sparks, required to ignite the petrol air mixture in car cylinder. So that is one of the major use. Advantages of the presence of the capacitor. The presence of the capacitor is to slow down the fall of the current in the primary coil at instant of break, thus preventing the induced EMF in the primary coil from rising as to cause unwanted spark. Effect of soft wires as iron core is to reduce eddy current, thereby increasing the secondary EMF to ensure that it is easily magnetized during make and demagnetization during break. So in subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at simple AC circuit, the root mean square, and other concepts. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you want to call us to support us in any way or contact us in any way, please check the description part of the video. Thanks and God bless you.